How to create spring using Solidworks. Now first start a new file and create. You will get front plane and top plane. In front plane we are going to create a sketch. First we are going to create one circle, the circle diameter you are going to take a circle diameter 150 mm. 150 mm circle diameter. Now finish the sketch. Now go to insert, curve, helix, select this sketch. Now here asking, suppose you want pitch and revolution. If you are going to maintain, I am going to maintain a pitch is 10 mm. See, the pitch is pitch. What do you mean by pitch? Pitch is distance between the first layer of spring to the second layer of the spring, or maybe you want to increase, you can increase at 20, or a number of revolutions. Revolution you are going to increase like this. Suppose you want like up to this height, whatever the height. Suppose you don't have the value for revolution, revolution. You want to only take a height and pitch. Height and pitch also it's possible. The height is 165 and the pitch is 150. Suppose you want to decrease, you can decrease. That is another possibility is there. And another one is height and revolution also is there. Height and revolution also is there. Okay. Now as per this, we are going to create a one helix. This is one helix. In this helix, now what type of spring generally? If you are taking a round type of spring, a circular type of spring, for that I am going to create a one plane. Why? Because I am going to create a sketch in this zone. The sketch, it must be created either planar place or on the plane only. But I don't have here plane. I don't have here plane. That's why I am going to select. Here on plane, perpendicular to that point. I created plane. Now I am going to select this, but the gap is 20 mm. No? That's why I am going to maintain this diameter 10 mm. But is not joined, go to add relations, select this point under this edge, it appears, you will get this value. Now my sketch is over. After completion of this sketch, now go to insert, boss face, sweep. Now here asking profile, select my profile. Next asking path. Now I got a spring, a normal straight spring. I will get a normal straight spring. After that, suppose you want not a straight spring, you want a different. Go to right click, edit. Any options is there, you are going to verify. See here, taper helix. Suppose you want a taper. Let's see the taper. I am changing the taper like this. It's a taper shape. If you are going to change the taper, select it. Automatically it will generate. Why? Because already we created. Now you are getting a helical type of taper type of spring. Now edit, 16 degrees taper. Suppose outer taper. Outer means see like this. Inner means this is inner. Outer means outer like this. Like this you will get a outer type of spring. Now okay, you will get a outer shape. If before we see the inner tape, this is the outer outer shape of the spring component. Okay, thank you very much.